Okay, so now you've logged in to Adobe Express, you should have something like this. And you're going to think, what on earth am I to do? So think of it, you're creating a little advert for your business or for yourself. And as you know, a lot of this now takes place online. And also, which you might not know, this is completely free. So log in and then I'll show you briefly how to make a very, very quick advert. So for example, you click on the plus button here, top left hand corner, and you can choose a particular type of video or advert, a type of landscape, square, whatever. You're basically choosing a picture type, or you can choose something that will fit onto one of your social media channels. So there's Instagram, flyers, logos, Instagram Reels, invitation. So I'm looking for TikTok in particular, so I'm going to click View All, and there's TikTok. So this will create a TikTok ad for you that you can put straight away onto your phone. So there we go. So you've got your setup. It just looks like a mobile phone, a big version of it. So then on the left hand side, let's have a look. You can search the photo database. So I'm going to type in plumbing, but you can obviously, if I can spell correctly, type in plumbing. Obviously, if you're a carpenter, if you're a bricklayer, plasterer, painter and decorator, just choose whatever you want. And let's have a look, see what I can find. So there we go, that's a picture. So let's have that. Now, not looking particularly great. So on the left hand side, I'm going to set that as the page background. Ta-da! So now we've got an advert that will go out there. Doesn't say much, so you need a bit of text. So I'm going to click on text. And then you can either add your own text here. If I click on that and put what you want in. Or you can choose a particular type of font or text. Trendy fonts are referred to as trendy text are referred to as fonts. So I'm going to pick that one because it looks quite nice. There we go, new post. Double click on that and you can type on it. So I don't know, I've just put a made-up name, J. Smith Plumbers. Great. And then I'm going to drag that. You just have to click your mouse on things, a bit fiddly, and then have a go. And then you can just pull the corners of these things. And I'm sure you'll get the hang of it. And there's the a line which shows you that it's right in the middle of where you need it to be. And the graphic itself has been left behind, so I can pick that up and put it behind if I want to. Or not. I'm thinking, well, perhaps I don't need the stars. So you can just highlight that and get rid of that. So there we go. So you could say J. Smith Plumbers, and then you could do something else. You could put another text in and put something like Worcestershire region. Oh, if I can type on it again. Best thing to do is just to try and highlight it. Worcester region, open, contact me 9 to 5. Contact me on, and then 1, 2, 3. That's it. We'll put a number in there. Available 9 to 5, something like that. So, and there you go. I mean, that's a very, very basic way of doing it. If you don't want the graphics, just click on them. Sometimes graphics get in the way. So basically, just move things around, and there you go. So once you've done that, you've got a very, very basic advert there, but it looks a lot more professional than you probably do with a sketch pad and a notepad, and that's completely free. And then you can click share, or for this case you can click download. So you click download and it will create an image for you. So you can choose the best one. I would stick with PNG and then click download and save it to your computer, and then just upload it so that I can mark it and have a look at what you have created. You can see some of the pictures I've made there. Okay, it's as simple as that. You have a lot of tools available on the left hand side down here. You can pick all sorts of things. If I were you, I would use the hour to learn how to use this, because this might be something that as a self-employed tradesperson you may use yourself, or you might be working for a small company and they ask you to do a little bit of social media advertising to help them boost sales, which will consequently help you. So good luck, go for it, enjoy yourself, use the hour and have a good play with Adobe Express. Can't wait to see what you make. Bye.